Hi there. Thanks for checking out the welding program here at the Delaware Area Career Center. My name is Brad Dement. Most students call me Mr. D. I've been the welding instructor since 2011. Before that, I welded on race cars, top fuel dragsters, and funny cars for the top level of the NHRA. After that, I worked for a shop that was a subcontractor for NASA. 2018, I was awarded second place in the nation for being a top career tech educator. Never thought any of this would happen, but welding provided the opportunity. All right, let's talk about it. Welding, it's what you're here for, right? Fire, sparks, what's there not to like? Let's check out the program. It's a 2-year program, your junior year and senior year. We focus on 4 main welding processes. We also fabricate, we measure, we cut, we read blueprints. Essentially, if it deals with metal, we do it. By the time you're done, hopefully you've earned a couple certifications. And during the 2 years, you're going to explore the industry. All right, I got this from careersinwelding.com. Great website. I recommend you check it out to learn more about the careers in our industry. Here's Owen. Owen's a former student at DACC. He's currently a junior at Ohio State in the welding engineering program. While at DACC, Owen was a national gold medalist, and now he has his sights on being an engineer, and he's currently in Germany studying. Super proud of Owen and what a path he's taken. Here's how DACC works. Your junior year, you come in the morning and you weld. Once you're done, you go do your academics. That could be at DACC or it could be at your home school. Your senior year, it flip-flops. Do your academics in the morning, you finish your day with me welding in the lab. Junior year, I like to call it Introduction to Welding. It's the basic program where we learn all the welding processes, welding terms, and get you acquainted with how things work. Senior year, I call it more advanced. We don't introduce any more welding processes, but we do different welding positions. We enhance your skills by doing horizontal, vertical, and overhead. Doesn't the picture in the top right look fun? Also, you have opportunities to weld on different types of metals and also go out in the industry, have a job, make money while you train. Here's our lab. We have a lot of nice equipment that is either standard or better than what you find in the industry. We have over 5,000 square foot. It's awesome. What we do, we put your skills to the test. It could be training, like in the top left, or we could apply it to projects. We're in a career tech student organization called SkillsUSA. If you look at our resume, it's awesome. 2014 through 2016, for 3 years, we were best in the nation. Chapter Display combines fabrication, welding, collaboration, and public speaking. It's pretty awesome to say our students are the best in the USA. Some of the certifications and credentials include American Welding Society and also OSHA. Both are what employers want and look for. We're also articulated with Columbus State, and what we do at DACC, you can apply to your college, which can save you time and money. All right, job shadowing opportunities. We are a career center. So what I want you to do is I want you to understand the career, understand the industry, and understand what path you would like to pursue after you graduate. We have 4 opportunities to go out and shadow real world workplaces. Other exploration, we have guest speakers come in, former students come in, and we even have interviews to where industry leaders come in and interview our students and offer real jobs. Hopefully, you have a job before you even graduate. Here's a few local leaders that we work with where students have gone and worked afterwards. Here are some of the schools that students in the welding program go to. I'm going to highlight Hobart Institute of Welding Technology, the best welding school in the nation. And I say about 25% of our students go there to further their weld education. We do a lot of cool things here in the welding program, sometimes as a class, sometimes individually, but really the possibilities are endless. If you want to get a sneak peek at our lab and our program, feel free. Check out our Facebook page where I like to highlight students, projects, and things that we do. I appreciate you checking out the welding program. Please feel free to contact me if you have any other questions. Best of luck. Hope to see you soon.